Hello, you might have already seen me winning competitions, but this is a video of me losing a competition, getting the very last place in Topcoder round 1A. It's a parallel round, not an official one, because I automatically advanced to round 2, but still it's a very nice achievement for me to get the very last place. Enjoy the video. As always, I will start from a hard problem, but it isn't necessary. Normal order is from easy. Actually, what I should do, because the time doesn't matter too much, I think I have enough time to solve everything. So I should wait for others to show me how quickly they can solve problems, and then it's easier for me. Like, let's say if I start 30 minutes from now, I already have information how hard is each problem. But whatever. Let's just do it. 1000. Again, why? Num sets is this, num items is that. DP probability problem. Num sets, I assume, is 4, num items is 50. I need DP probability 51. The probability that I get there at all. P of 0, 0, 0, 0 is 1. A is 0A up to num items. But if b is greater than 0 and num sets smaller than 2, continue. This is P will be probability to get there at all. And now something will happen. Well, no, this is probability that I have that many items of count 0 and so on. Oh, no. If I have 50, that's too many. It's like how many items are that I have 0 of them, 1 of them, 2 of them, 3 of them. This will not fit in memory, will it? Damn it. I need some define. Some error. Let's say this is K. Now it should be okay. It's like smartly resized. Initially, all k things are of count 0. Num sets is smaller than 2. I think smaller than 3. This represents 0, 1, 2. If there is just one num set, then I still need b. Oh, because I need to iterate over 4th dimension. In general, I move from P, A, B, C, D, E, and there are a lot of possible transitions. Like there will be probability A over K that I move to something. Okay, if A, then P of A plus 1, minus 1, B plus 1, C, D, E, plus equal me times A over K. There is similar Topcoder problem. B. C. And if E, there is some probability of going in self loop and not changing anything. Return answer. What the answer will be? Will be the sum over probabilities times, by default it's k times numsets. I need to make that many moves. But when I waste moves, something more happens. If A, then this is possible. Oh, now I understand why I needed only 4 dimensions, but whatever. This should be good enough anyway. If A, then always this is possible. If B, then. If num sets is just 1, then it is going without a change. If B is equal K, then continue, like nothing happens, because I'm already at the end. Otherwise something else this. What is this? Something wrong with spaces. If there is probability P of success, then 1 over P is the number of wasted things. Probability of success is 1 over K. K over I. And I don't need to cast to double because this is of type double. Yeah, should work. Sets is 2. Okay, over a plus b. Yeah, this is probability of success. What an ugly code. Finally, if num sets is equal 4, and this is not k. Length error, because I need this. Past failed, past failed. I divide by 0. Where do I divide by 0? Is it possible? Let's say assert a. If b, I need some ifs from before. If c greater than 0 and num sets smaller than 3, continue. D. Damn it. A is not 0 failed. Oh, but it must be this. Expected 5.5, received 4. What now? What now? What am I passing? I'm passing 1 and 2. Well, anything with num sets bigger than this. Probabilities of getting to this state. By default, I have that many. If num sets is equal 1. Okay, is 2. So it seems that I'm not adding anything, but I should. if B I'm moving in wrong order. Wrong order. What order should it be? I think just the opposite. Like that. At least it's something happened now. Probability of getting to this state is 0.5. No, it should be 1. Because it's probability of this divided by all. This should be all. Okay, A, if num sets at least 2, those are cases when something happens. If it's impossible to reach, continue. The same issue, but at least me is equal to 1. That's good. Because that should happen. Now answer. When do I increase answer? When A is 1 and B is 1, I divide B by all. No. This is case when numsets is just 1. So B already represents something done. When A is 1, B is 1. One over k, this is half. Increase this by 2. There are 2 objects. If probability of success is p, then 1 over p is the number of repetitions. So this minus 1 is the number of unnecessary moves. I'm taking way too much time in this problem. No. Past, failed. This should be equal to 1. Starting from this. I need to move there. What about C? Why C cannot become positive? If B maybe order is wrong again. Iterate decreasingly through this. Yeah. What did I try to achieve here? I should I should go decreasingly through A. No. For the same A, decreasingly through B. Yes. It wasn't about that. This decreasingly. After that, there should be 1, 0, 1. This is incorrect. Yay. Okay, now let's measure the time. Build commands. I don't need one thing. Num sets is for num items is 50. Expected? I don't know what is expected. Times 0.04. It is fast enough. Compile, Alt-C. What was, maybe I will read the warning. Below array bounds. Is it? Let's do it like that. I will feel safer. But also here, run this again. Slower, but true. Submit Alt-U. That was bad. Some people already finished, yeah, 900 points. That's not my best performance. This one people solve in 1 minute. Then let's try to do that as well. Average price. Change everything into a set. What's wrong? Compile. Test. Submit. Wasn't too hard. I have nice time here, but with this time for the last one, what can I do? The last problem was basically the same as something from Topcoder. I don't know why I struggled so much. That's a pity. And 500 isn't that easy. Exactly 3 neighbors. Exactly n of the dead cells should become living cells. Exactly n empty cells have exactly 3 alive neighbors, and is up to 500. I think I got the idea. I will use crosses. That is this. Now, well, n is greater than 4. Should be 50. Oh, that's confusing. That's bad. Let's say goal. Then I can produce a cross. Mark of ij plus 1, I plus 1 j plus 1 j plus 1. That. And now I need some more at the end. J is 49. Greater than 0. J minus equal 4. I will make cell first with I. 49 comma j. This cell, I want to make it good. comma j minus 1, 49 comma j minus 1. Rate of answer of nx. Something failed. What's wrong? Locally, it doesn't test with a checker. Alt-C doesn't work. Alt-C doesn't work. No. Something is wrong with my internet. Hope this will fix itself in a moment. Compiling. True. Then I need to submit. The vision summary. I should have very nice times for two first problems. Here like 6th best time and again 7th best time, but of course 1000 points is most important. So I will lose some rating. The coding will finish after 30 minutes. And I need like what, 4 hacks to get a decent score. Each one is plus 50. 4 hacks would be nice. Let's try to see if there is anything dangerous in those problems. First one. Samples are very weak. If somebody didn't understand the problem, they are... Oh, I might have it wrong. No, double. But if somebody used int, that's a risk. Because answer here everywhere is integer. And there is a test where it isn't. Create. Divide by 3, 1 to 4. You see, this is not an integer. Let me write this down. Answer not integer. 2, 4. Actually, I can improve it a little bit and add some force. Why not? No, this should be a stronger test. This annoys me. Yeah. Nothing will happen here by mistake. If I just compute the answer, it will be 12 plus 4, 16, 17 over 6. It shouldn't be the same. Okay, then 500. Let's see what I print for 0, if it's possible. No, it isn't. 500. Ah. Oh no. My solution is incorrect. What about 50? I see nothing. No. Okay, my scar is shit. String as expected. What do I expect? I expect nothing. Hooray. Oh. That will hurt. That will hurt. True. Test for 500. And submit. I just wanted to find good tests against other people. And this is what happened. I found a mistake in my own solution. Obviously, it makes sense to run 500 for something like, I guess, 499. And nothing here is 3 modulo 4. So 499 or 500. And this one. Well, 4,50. It's a good test. Shit. My solution gets some kind of memory limit exceeded. I think. Peak memory used, yeah, I used too much memory. 430. I will not use E. This will be just an array. Or maybe this is enough of a fix. What did I have here? Comma 0. Resubmit. Now that's very nice. I don't think I will even I will even wait for hacks in that case. I can gain nothing. 1,000 points. Anybody with full, like all 3 problems will beat me. Hey, at least I solved the first problem quickly. Obviously, hacks are for B, just 4 by 50. For C, it's 499. Schedule. This video on YouTube should be called "Fucking Up a Topcoder Round." For a long time my rating here was above 3000 target, and now I will not have that rating. I hope I would at least advance on normal round. Parallel is for people who already advanced. Yeah, I will get back for hacks here. Hacking phase starts in 50 seconds. I have basically nothing to lose because I'm the last among people with all 3 problems. After me there is a big gap, even in full standings. This is just standings of my room. I copy pasted this to be able to quickly use it. And while you will just go from the bottom of this leaderboard of my room, trying first checking if maybe somebody used integers for sum, didn't cast to double. For 50 is for second problem, 499 for the last. What? Oh no, everything opens like that. It's so stupid. I see casting. I see casting. Seems reasonable. I don't know, maybe. Oh, this is so annoying. It opens on my second screen like this. Double. Double. Well, people aren't stupid here. Sort and do that, cool. Bit set. Oh, because it's a recursive solution. Yeah, I thought during the contest already that recursive might be better. Seems good. Whoa. Well, what's the probability that this is written well? Not too big, right? Unsuccessful. I wonder if this is value that I returned as well. Let's also try this one. Unsuccessful. I'm just blindly challenging because I have basically nothing to lose. Like, there is a gap after me. So I just hope that maybe I will go up, but without that. I will not even wait for the end of challenge phase. I messed up this contest. It's better to do it now rather than during a real important competition. That's it. If I will maybe in the description put information what was my final place. Right now I'm 36th. Yeah, because I had 2 resubmissions and I was very slow with hard problem. Without that, of course, I would not be that far in the leaderboard if I didn't make mistakes. Okay, cool. Bye-bye. Yeah, so I'm now trying to log back into Arena. And after putting my password, it freezes. Do I wait now for a minute? Oh, I just needed to start recording. 3 times a moment ago, I couldn't log in. Division summary, and I was hacked in hard by Redeusz, by the way, but my solution wasn't correct for test 450. And even though I submitted all 3 problems and 2 of them passed, I have the last place. Those people in at the end from AC Rushdown, they didn't even open any problem, so it's unrated for them. And among 41 people, I'm the last. I don't remember that it ever happened for me in the past, especially with some problems passing. So nice, congratulations me. And it wouldn't happen if I didn't make 2 unsuccessful hacks. So I really tried to be the last, really tried. Right, because then 50 points more. No, I would be second last by 2 points, because minus 25 it's minus 50. Yeah, I would be here by 2 points, but I decided to make hacks thinking that I have all 3 problems. Nice. Yeah, it was bad to write this like that. I should have used recursion, and again this opens. I should have used recursion. This is very ugly code. Don't do that. And plus, samples were weak, so I couldn't. My answer for 450 didn't say anything much. Yeah, it was just a bad contest for me. Hope you enjoyed this, and see ya. Bye.